Hi everyone, this is Neha. So today we are going to see asanas which can be very effective to reduce the back pain. So we can have back pain due to our lifestyle or long hours of sitting jobs because our spine is the one which is affected the most. So you must give stretches to your spine every day, morning or evening. So let's see what are these asanas which can be helpful to reduce our spine and make our lives better. Before we start, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also click a bell icon right next to it. So we are going to start few asanas now which can be extremely helpful for your spine. So make sure that you go slow and practice along with your breath. The first one, we are going to need our hands more to practice. So let's do a wrist rotation. Take your both the hands straight forward. A mild and a quick wrist rotation just to make it feel more comfortable and relaxed. Few times clockwise and anti-clockwise. And done. Now from here, on your knee as well as on your palm. So keep your both the knee apart from each other and your both the knee should have one arm distance, and from here one arm and then one palm distance. So if you are here, then you can see your wrist and your shoulder is in one line. Keep your palm firm and place your fingers little away from each other. Your wrist and your knee is in one line. Now take your attention for your spine. When you start, don't move your spine up or down. Keep it neutral in a straight line. From here, as you inhale, you're going to take your spine all the way in. Breathing in, lift your chest up and look up. Exhale, engage your core muscles. Get your stomach forward, round your shoulder, look down to the stomach. We'll repeat, inhale up. And exhale down. Inhale up and exhale. Inhale and exhale. The last one. Inhale and exhale. Come to center. Now from here, get your both the knee together. Keep your palm as it is. Now you're going to take your right foot pointing out. The same movement for the spine, just that you have to move your leg this time. Okay, keep your knee bent. Lift your knee up, spine inside. Open up your chest. Look up. Exhale, round your shoulder. Forward. Inhale up. Exhale, forward. Here, if your knee is not coming forward towards your forehead, that's okay, don't worry about it. We have to worry only about our spine movement this time. One more time, inhale. Repeat it 5 to 10 times. Exhale, forward. Drop it down. Same thing the other side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward. One more, inhale and exhale. Drop it down. From here, moving forward, get your palm little ahead and lie down on the stomach. Get your both the hands straight forward. Okay, keep your entire body weight down, toe pointing out. Now as you inhale, you're going to lift your thighs and your chest, your arms off the floor. Now remember not to bend your knee and slightly tighten your spine and tighten your glutes and the hip. Now from here, inhale, you're gonna go up. Not bending your knee, just lifting your thighs off. And exhale down. Up. And exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. The last one we are going to hold there for a quick count. Inhale up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come down. Get your palm next to the chest here. Legs closer to each other and toe pointing out. Now from here, keep your elbows inside. Here you need to be a bit careful because there are a lot of variations in which you can lift your body up. Half elbow, full elbow. But here, as we are just strengthening our spine, we are just going to lift our chest little up. Inhale That's it, where you can feel a good stretch in your lower back as well. And exhale down. Inhale up, little more up, and exhale down. As far as you can feel your spine, that's good. One more time, inhale up, hold, elbows inside, stay there. 3, 2, 1. Now from here, slowly drop your chest down, tuck your toe in, come to a quick child posture. Press your palm down, extend your spine. Now slowly come up, turn around, lie down on your back. Now once you lie down on your back, keep your both the legs closer to each other. Your legs should be relaxed. Now your spine is also completely relaxed here. Now both the legs together, bend your right knee to the chest. Hold your knee from your both the hands and keep pulling it to the chest. Now from here, if you think you're not able to lift your forehead to the knee, that's okay. Just be here. If you're comfortable, then inhale completely. As you exhale, you're going to lift your forehead towards your knee. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, slowly drop your knee down and release. Let's try the same thing other side. Bend your left knee to the chest. Hold your knee from your both the hands. Keep it tight, tight, tight. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, now slowly release. You can feel that your spine is little stretched out, not much. It's a very mild posture and keep it as mild. Now bend your both the knee. From here, focus on your lower back and the hip joint, palm facing down. As you inhale, you're going to lift your hip all the way up and exhale down. Create a nice arch in your back. Inhale up, exhale down. This is very relaxing and very effective. Inhale up, exhale down. Last one, where we are going to hold this posture for 5 counts. Inhale up, stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop it down. Now once you drop your hip down, you're going to get your both the knee to the chest. Hold your knee, get it tighter, tighter, stay there. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now from here, if you are comfortable to lift your knee, to lift your forehead, you can always lift your forehead towards your knee only if you are comfortable. If you find it hard, if you find some stress on the neck, please avoid it. Now inhale, exhale, hold. This will give you a nice stretch to your back, which is very safe and relaxed. Now drop your knee down. From here, there is an option to keep your heel very close to the hip, but you should keep it away from your hip as much as possible, okay? And keep your both the heels at the edge of the mat. Now from here, we are going to drop your both the knee to the right side. Open up your arm to the shoulder level. Now drop your both the knee to the right side, very mild and very soft. Turn your head to the left. And now exhale the opposite side. Turn your head to the right. So while you do this, you can feel a mild twist. Continue for a few more rounds. Inhale and exhale. Very relaxing, but practice along with the breath. Exhale. Slowly inhale. Rise for some 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come to center. The other way around. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come to center. Now get leg together. Get them slightly closer to the hip. Okay. Now from here again we are going to do the same movement. Knee to the chest. But this time the difference is both the knee together. Head side. Think the other way around. Change. 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 The last one where we are going to hold it for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. The most important part is to relax your spine. After all this, I want you to relax in Shavasana for at least 20 to 30 seconds. If you have more time, you can give at least 5 minutes also. So just like try dropping your entire body weight down, including your spine. Place your palm facing the ceiling. Relax your shoulder. Eyes closed. Take few deep breaths in and breath out. Take all the attention on your lower back, and as you breathe in and breathe out, try to feel your spine touching the floor a little more. This posture is your choice. You can stay here as long as you can. It minimum 30 seconds to max 10 minutes. This will actually help you to release a lot of stress from your spine and relax your back. Relax your body completely with this posture. As your eyes are closed, you can feel yourself a little more. You can feel your spine is being relaxed. Your body is being relaxed. Few long breath in and breath out. Now, if you're done with the Shavasana, now get your both the legs closer to each other and hands closer to each other. Lift your right hand, both the hands, straight over the head on the floor. You can also keep only right hand over the head and left hand on the stomach. Bend your both the knee and slowly turn towards your right side and very slowly sit up. Try to keep your eyes closed. Now take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Get your both the palm together. Rub your both the palm. Drop it on your eyes. Open your eyes and keep your both the hands on your spine. If you have a back pain because of your lifestyle and sitting posture, these sessions should really help. All you have to do is focus on 2 things. Breathe while you practice and focus on your breath along with your spine. Second thing, have consistency. Practice this at least 5 to 6 times in a week. And also share this with your friends who is suffering with the back pain. I'll see you again with the next video. Thank you.